Today's topic is factorization. See here, just put it inside the bracket p whole square minus break it up. Here we have p in common with p square. So first we will break it up into some parts and we are going to write 2 into p into what we are left with 2q. 2 into p into 2 4p into q 4pq. So this is how we have written it, breaking it up, plus 4q square minus r square. After this, we will write this together, p minus 2q whole square. This is from here, p and 2q. Basically, we have broken it down using the a minus b whole square formula, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And then we are going to use, once we are done with it, minus, we are left with r whole square. Now we are going to use a square minus b square formula, which is a plus b into a minus b, where a is p minus 2q plus r and b is again p minus 2q minus r. This will be minus. That's it. Moving on to the next question. See this over here, break it down. Square root of 9, we are going to write 3x whole square minus, now whatever we are left with is y square plus 4y minus 4. This is actually the formula of a minus b whole square formula, if you see. So we can write it in this manner, taking minus common, y square minus 4y plus 4. Now see, it is basically the a minus b whole square formula, see, where answer is a square minus 2ab plus b square. See, if b square over here is 4 and 2ab is 4y and a is y square, see, it actually means a over here is y and b is minus 2. So it is y minus 2 whole square formula. If you write y minus 2 whole square formula, we get y square minus 2 into 2 4y plus b square, that is 2 into 2 4. This is what exactly we have got. So we are going to substitute this and simply write 3x here. Okay. We are going to simply write 3x minus, this is basically the y minus 2 whole square. We have got a square, we've got an a square minus b square formula, so it is a plus b into a minus b. So here a is 3x plus b over here is y minus 2 plus b square, where 3x minus y minus 2. So it is a plus b into a minus b. Solve the brackets, we get 3x plus y plus into minus minus 2. Again here 3x minus y minus into minus plus 2. That's it. Moving on to the next question. The 4a square minus 4b square plus 4a plus 1. Rearrange it. 4a square, then you write 4a plus 1, so that we get a formula from here, minus 4b within bracket whole square. We're not going to write it within brackets, we're going to write it in the next step. Now, this actually is an a plus b whole square formula, where a square is this 4a square and plus 2ab, that is 4a plus b square, which is 1. So over here, think if it is a square is 4a square, so a over here is actually 2a. After this, plus 2ab plus b square, so it is 1 whole square, minus 4b, we can write it as 2b whole square. So it is a square minus b square formula. See, if we break it up, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we get 4a square, 2 into 2, 4 into 1, 4, a plus b square. So see, we have got this. So that is why we had written all of these things. Now, once you have got it, you're going to simply write it in this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. So 2a plus 1 minus b. All the brackets, we get 2a plus 1 plus 2. Again here we get 2a minus 2b plus 1 if we arrange it properly by replacing these two positions. Moving on to the next question, 625p to the power 4. This is really simple. It actually means 25 square whole square minus p square whole square. So this becomes a plus b into a minus b, where a is 25 plus p square into a, that is 25 square, not 25 square, sorry, 25 minus p square. Again here we can again solve it. See, we can write it in this manner. We use a third bracket. We can write 5 square. So this is an a plus b whole square. So we will leave it in this manner, the first one, but next one we can solve. The first one will leave it this way. This is a square minus b square formula. See, this becomes 5 square minus p square. So this basically can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Here this part will remain as it is, that is 25 plus b square. Moving on to the next question. Again 5y to the power 5. Over here, bring the common one out. Y is common and we've got 5. Obviously, as per the rules of divisibility, 405 is divisible by 5. So see, 405 divided by 5, we get 81. So over here, 5y in common. So we are left with y to the power 4 minus 81. Now we are going to solve it. Here, this can be written as 5y and this as y square whole square minus 9 whole square. Again, See, this resembles the a square minus b square formula. So we're going to write a plus b into a minus b. Once this is done, again see, this can be broken up further. So breaking it down, we're going to first copy it as it is. 5y. Here we have got y square plus 9, and then we're going to break this down as, we're going to write y whole square minus 3 whole square. So again we can write it as a plus b into a minus b, and the rest of the part will be written as it is, that is y square plus 9 and 5y. So we have got all the factors. Moving on, number 13, x to the power 4 and y to the power 4. We will take things as common. X square whole square minus y square whole square plus x square minus b square. See this? So we are going to write a plus b into a minus b. You can write it in this manner, or we can also do one thing, that is, we will simply put this within bracket, x square minus y square. After this, see, here what we get is this is a square minus b square formula. So a square plus b square into a square minus b square plus, here we'll take this as common, x square minus y square. In order to change the sign, I've actually multiplied it with plus 1. So once we have done with it, now see, the common factors here is x square minus y square and again x square minus y square. So these are common, so we are going to write x square minus y square together, because out of these two we only write one and these two will get combined. So we are going to write x square plus y square plus 1. Moving on, 64 a square and plus 9. So first of all, we can use the square root of 64, that is 8a whole square, minus, here we have got 9b square plus 42bc and 49c square. So here 9b square, the square root of it, if we write, it will be 3b whole square minus, we have taken minus as common, so that's why you minus, and here we are changing the sign into minus, so that minus into minus becomes plus, 42bc minus 49 can be written as 7c whole square. This we are actually writing in order to change the formula of this thing. See, minus into plus is minus, so that's why plus sign. If you carefully observe this, this actually resembles a formula, an identity, which is none other than, see, the a minus b whole square formula, where a square is 3b plus, no, it's minus 7c whole square. See, if we solve it, it is 3b whole square minus 2ab plus b square. If we solve it, see we get 9b square minus 2 into 3, 6 into 7, 42bc plus 7c whole square is 49c square, which resembles this. Same. See, is equal to this. So that's why we had done all of this to break it down. So now, once we have understood it, we are going to write the formula. So this basically brings us down to the formula, that is, we are going to write it within brackets. This is actually the 3b minus 7c whole square formula. Here again we have got a square minus b square. So we are going to write a plus b. B over here is 3b minus 7c into a minus b, that is 8a minus b is 3b minus 7c. This is a minus sign, minus 7c. Now see, we are going to solve this down. This becomes 8a plus 3b plus into minus minus 7c, and this is 8a minus 3b minus into minus plus 7c. We're going to cross check it once more. 8a, 8a plus 3b plus into 3b plus 3b and plus into plus 7c. Again here minus, that's why minus sign prevails, and minus into minus is plus.